Hi guys, welcome back. Today is 16th March 21. It's day 4 and week 8 of our live trading series. You can see in the right side window, Sensex is up by almost 300 point. India VIX is down by almost to 4%, which is a good sign for the market. Bank Nifty is almost flat and Nifty 50 is almost up by 74 point. And if I'm talking about my M2M, which is 800 right now, and the current time is 10:25. And if I'm talking about my position, I have bought 35,500 put 2 lot, then sold 34,700 put 6 lot, then bought 34,100 put 4 lot. It's a ratio butterfly, or you can say the advanced butterfly, and the ratio is 800. And the maximum profit in this position is 40,000 and the maximum loss is 40,000. And I think there is nothing wrong in that position, so I think I should carry that position. So let's see what will happen till the evening. If something will happen, I definitely show to you, so please keep watching. Thank you so much. Hi guys, welcome back. Current time is 3:10 and I have just squared off my last position and make a new position. In my new position I have bought 34,800 call 1 lot, then sold 35,600 call 3 lot, then bought 36,400 call 2 lot. It's a ratio butterfly, or you can say advanced butterfly, and the ratio is 132 and the gap is 800. The maximum profit in this position is 20,000 and the loss is 20,000. And if I'm talking about my put side position, I have bought 35,000 put 1 lot, then sold 34,300 put 3 lot, then bought 33,600 put 2 lot. It is also a ratio butterfly and the ratio is 132 and the gap is 700. Maximum profit in that strategy is 17,500 and the loss would be 17,500. So I think I should carry this position for tomorrow. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. So please keep watching guys. Thank you so much.